Hey there, are you tired of AI tools that lack emotion and creativity? Feeling stuck in your content creation journey? Well, look no further, because we've got the solution for you. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer in the world of content creation, Murf AI. Murf Studio, developed by Murf Inc., a revolutionary text-to-speech AI technology that's changing the game. Murf AI isn't just your ordinary text-to-speech tool. It's a powerhouse of creativity, waiting to unleash your imagination in ways you never thought possible. Picture this: you have a brilliant idea for a video, but you need the perfect voice to bring it to life. That's where Murf AI steps in. Unlike any other tool out there, Murf AI is a powerhouse of creativity, providing customizable emotions for each AI actor, allowing you to infuse your content with personality and depth. But what sets Murf Studio apart? Let's dive into the benefits. With over 120 voices in 20 different languages, Murf AI gives you the freedom to choose the perfect voice for your project. Whether you need a soothing narrator for a meditation guide, a dynamic voice for an animated character, or a professional tone for your business presentation, Murf AI has got you covered. With Murf AI, you're not just getting text-to-speech services. You gain access to a suite of tools including Murf API, Canva add-on, Google Slides add-on, voice cloning, and a voice-over video editor, all in one place, saving you time and effort. And it doesn't stop there. Murf Studio is not just a voice-over editor. It's a multimedia powerhouse. Add free-to-use music, images, and videos to enhance your content and captivate your audience. Imagine transforming your blog posts into engaging podcasts, turning your bedtime stories into captivating audiobooks, or adding a professional voiceover to your next marketing video, all with just a few clicks. Struggling to find inspiration? Murf Studio offers pre-made templates to kickstart your creativity. Customize them to match your needs and watch your ideas come to life effortlessly. But wait, there's more. Combine Murf AI with Canva's magic, right for even more creative possibilities. Generate AI scripts with natural language, convert them into voiceovers, and create stunning presentations in no time. And the best part? Murf AI seamlessly integrates with Canva, allowing you to add video from Canva's stock library to make your content more engaging than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Join the creative revolution with Murf AI and start bringing your ideas to life like never before. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, Murf AI is your ultimate tool for innovation and imagination. Click the link in the description below to start your creative journey today. Visit murfai.com today and unlock the power of your voice with Murf AI. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.